Hi guys, welcome back. And a good evening to all. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 26th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper on Wednesday, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the additional of yesterday's edition, Tuesday, July the 25th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the ladder Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock with 1 star, and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yes, Two Stars Sudoku number 6816. Oh, 6816. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 27 printed digits. Should be a 1 star, 27. A 1 star, because the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars has 26, 3 stars 25, and the 4 stars 24. So it should be a 1 star, but we will see. But for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this column, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. Second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. And now. 1, 2, 3. Wait. We have 8 in this row, 8. So we have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6, okay. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. Yeah, 7 in that column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7, 7, okay. 4, 4. About 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Thinking. 8, 8. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Yeah. 5 in the last row. 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 9. Need a 9 here. Come on. 2. Come on. 2. 2. Yeah. Well, no, 9. 2. 2. Come on. 1, 6. 167, 167. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 167, 167, 167, 167. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this first column, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the second row for number 1. And we have a pair, I believe. We have a 7 and a 9 in this row. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes and a 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left with 7 and 9 goes in those two boxes as pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. And look, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. A 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. On that column, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 9. How about the 7? 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 6 in the 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Alright. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Yeah. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2, 2, okay. 3 and 4. 3, 4, 3, 4. Come on. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Do we have all the 2s? No. Need a 2 here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Come on. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Then 2, 3, then the 4 here, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 in these two boxes here, 4 in the last column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there, 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4, should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this third column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in one of those two boxes. Oh wait, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 box left in this second column for number 1. Alright. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. 1 in the last row, column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. And now, 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Need a 3 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now in this row. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish it 13 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than the 15 minutes for 1 star. Definitely 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.